Sa, se, so, hung. Meditation. It goes like this. Bring your hands this angle, elbows by your side, and the hands about a 30-degree angle out. Bend at the wrist. It's a receptive position, because Ra is the sun, Ma is the moon, Da is earth, Sa is life. These are life-giving elements, right? Masculine, Ra, feminine, Ma, earth. Life, Sa, and then you repeat, Sa, Se, So, Hung, like this. Ra, Ma, Da, Sa, Sa, Se, So, Hung. Ra, Ma, Da, Sa, Sa, Se, So, Hung. This is a healing meditation. You bring all this energy in, you're charging it into your hands. The center of your hands is the pranic force, it's a heart point here. And also at the wrists, important points for the heart and the pericardium, the muscular sac surrounding the heart. And you're creating some tension here and pouring this energy into your hands for healing. So when you come to the end of the meditation, you inhale deep and you send healing energy to yourself first. You exhale. You inhale deep. You send healing energy out to someone that you know, who's in trouble, who needs it. You hold them in your mind, and you exhale, and then you inhale deep, and you send healing energy to the planet, and you hold that, all the healing that's needed. Imagine a fountain of compassion, a river of compassion. Send it to whoever may need it, and you exhale, and then you relax. So we're going to actually work the kidney area, and obviously the adrenal glands situated on top of the kidneys, so that's where we have a lot of the stress response going on. So we're going to try and stretch out that area. You stretch your legs out. Now you might need to sit on something to give yourself a little bit of elevation if you find difficulty bending forward from your lower back. So trying to get the lower back as much into the action as possible. If you can't put your hands around your big toes like this, your fingers around your big toes like this, then you can catch somewhere down on the legs. And so even if you're getting this movement, at least you're pulling some part of your back, your lower back, you're getting some action going on there. And you're going to inhale up and exhale down. We'll do this 26 times again. And inhale up, pull on the pelvic floor, and exhale and fold down and go as low and as far down as you can. Now if that posture's really difficult, you're not going to get the stretch in the hamstrings obviously, but you'll get stretch out your lower back if you put your torso, sandwich your torso onto your legs and then just pull yourself over this way, stretch the legs down as much as you can to give access to your lower back, but not so low that you then lose this easing out of your lower back. So you can do this way. Rest the forehead over the top. And slowly come up. And we can go into giving you emotional perspective, this left nostril breathing. So we'll have the thumb and index finger of the left hand on your left knee, and then take the right thumb, cover your right nostril, and you're going to inhale long and deep through the left nostril. And then you're going to use your little pinky and exhale through the right nostril. And we'll do this for 3 minutes. Long, slow breath in through the left. Straight spine, long neck. Cover the left nostril and exhale slowly through the right. The breath deep. Come to your next inhale and hold. And exhale. Rest your hand back down also into Beyond Mudra on your right knee. Take a moment to feel how a simple breathing exercise has opened up your head space. Like there's more space there.